Hello and welcome to my channel. So today, just a simple tutorial. I want to show you how to use the Canva latest feature called Magic Animate and how I used it in designing this beautiful animation. So let's dive in and let me show you how to do that. Blank page in Canva. Go to your elements. Okay, here is the keyword: cheerful African couple in traditional outfits near the Djembe. All right, those are the keywords. So pick your image, go to effects. So we can use the magic grab feature. Click on the magic grab. Now the image is separated. All right. So we can use the image background for our design background. So we'll go to more, scroll through to find set image as background. All right. Now we have this image, the background in place. The next thing we will do is I will have to copy some of the text I use to speed up this process. So let me copy this. Copy. And paste. Paste. I'll copy this one too. You can use any font of choice. So I'll now take this one to behind. It should be behind the image. The image should be all right. Close this. So the next thing we will do is copy these other text. Let me select multiple so I can need to zoom in so it will be easy to select all of them. So I have 8 items selected. Copy, zoom out, and then go back to our design page and paste. The beautiful thing about copying and pasting is that when you copy and paste, Canva aligns them to fit just like the original design. Okay, so we'll go back and pick these other ones. Let me select multiple. Okay, let me just select this 3. Copy. Paste. Then copy our logo and this. Paste. Okay, now we can animate. Before we proceed with our animation, I noticed that the dance here should be in our original design. Sorry, go back. In our original design, dance is actually in front of Fiesta. So we have to do that. We have to change the position for dance. Go to dance. We go to position, then click forward. All right. Now we can proceed with our animation. So select the page, go to animate, go to tools, so we can use the Magic Animate. We already have playful recommended, but if you don't want playful, there are other styles. You have bold, you have elegant. This is elegant, this is energetic, but what we're looking for is playful. So we'll go back to the recommended, playful. All right, this is it. This is the animation, the beautiful animation. All right, so that is just how to use the Magic Animate tool in Canva.